Okay, quick look at the ingredients first. Spaghetti, chicken sausages, rosemary, tomato, cayenne pepper, turmeric powder, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, water, salt and pepper. Water on the boil, and while the water is getting the right temperature, we chop very fine the leaves of the rosemary and the garlic. Make sure you peel it well so that skin doesn't get into your mouth. Then we get the tomato and slice it however you want. You don't have to be a professional to do this. Just chop it up in bits and pieces. Skin off the sausages, that terrible skin. And once the water is boiling, we add the rock salt. Spaghetti needs to be spread as a fan and then gently pushed in. As they touch the water, they become very soft and bendable. So use the fork to push them through so you don't boil your fingers, and every now and then just make sure that you stir them up so you don't get any lumps. Now let's prepare the sauce. While the spaghetti are cooking, olive oil, cayenne pepper, the rosemary. It is very important that you don't burn the rosemary, so shake it up a little bit, and if it gets too hot, turn the fire down or move it on the side. Then the mince. Once the mince is kind of half cooked, you can add the tomatoes and then the garlic and then the beautiful turmeric powder, which activates with the cayenne pepper, and it becomes an incredible anti-inflammatory. Now the sauce will be a little bit dry, so we can use the pasta sauce, the pasta water to flavor it a little bit more and make it a little bit more smooth. Spaghetti get drained and don't wash them, they go straight into the sauce. And let them morph or join the sauce for a little while so they can pick up that flavor. If you need a little bit more water, you can just add drips of water and then saute if you can. If you can't, just use tongs. And then the last few touches, and this is what it looks like at the end.